day on the radio when I was sick, guitar man would hit them bright blues lick. It sounded like the blues, but it didn't bring you down. I remember how kinda feeling low, but after hearing that song, I wanna get up and go. It had a catchy tune and it made everything alright. I was sitting at my desk with other work to do, but found my guitar strumming a lick or two, and all of a sudden the blues sounded like boogie.
We decided to take a ride over to Waycross to see what kind of train action we could find there. As we were coming through Homerville, we happened to see the train headlight down the track, and we could see the light will wig-wag back and forth, so we knew that he was coming and just not sitting still. We found this place next to the Homerville Railroad platform, and we didn't have time to set the tripod. So just had to get out and shoot it by hand. The sound is still messed up in my opinion. It's not very nocturnal, but there's no shotgun mic on it, and it's set on normal sensitivity. So we'll experiment a little bit more with that, try to get that correct. Thanks for watching the channel, and I hope you'll like it. We'll continue to find trains to video. We didn't see much action going on in Waycross, but I did hear something about a train that would be headed that way on the AN line, and so we knew that we had just come from west of Waycross, so we decided to go east of Waycross on 84, and we happened to see the headlight on this train. And we knew the wig-wag was working, so we hurried and found this crossing. Got into this spot. I think it's called Dean Still Road. It's on the east side of Waycross. All in all, pretty good spot. Didn't have time to try to calculate whether we had shadows and all that, but it was a good spot to set up, and glad we found it. I like it because it has track speed trains. This train will slow down as it gets closer into Waycross. And so it does have a tendency to slow toward the end of this train. So all in all, felt like it was a good shot, good place. And again, we thank everybody for watching. We did continue the drive toward the east on 84. Got close to Scriven, and we heard a engine there had a train, and we didn't realize that he actually left from Scriven and was heading east toward Jessup. We never could catch up with him until we got all the way into Jessup, and they put him on a siding before we could get over there and find the track and find where we needed to be in Jessup. But all in all, it was a good day. We enjoy when we go off together, and we like doing what we do. And as long as my wife and I are together, and we wish we could have brought Hank, but we was going to meet a friend of ours and go and eat in a restaurant, so we decided we'd leave the old boy at home. Anyway, thanks again for watching, and like and subscribe. We would sure appreciate it. Thank you.